G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Here I am a little bit west of Yallah with a bunch of sightseers ready to film the final flight of the Qantas Boeing 747. The 747 is going to do a flyby of the Illawarra, fly down towards HARS over there and then make a diagonal exit across the lake. And the plane should be here pretty much any minute now. And yep, well, I'm just awaiting its arrival. The plane will fly over us roughly about 1,500 feet, so we'll get a very nice close view of the plane in flight, which will be total awesomeness. Okay viewers, I had to turn my camera off because there was a bit of a delay with the plane because I found it on the flight radar it was doing some loops around Sydney, but in the distance here is the 747. Just going to zoom right in. Yep, here she comes. Yeah, pity this camera's only got 10 times optical zoom, so the digital zoom's going to make the picture pretty crappy, but anyway, it's on its way. Camera's struggling to autofocus it, but when it gets close by, we'll get a nice close-up of it. So this is our very last Boeing 747 in flight, and it's making its final flight from Sydney to Los Angeles, and then it'll be decommissioned and I think sent to the plane boneyard in the Mojave Desert. Plane's still a bit of a distance away, but probably flying over Warrong right now. Alrighty, she's heading up our way. Beauty. Alrighty, here she comes. Now that was a nice view. Now 747's flying over HARS. And heading across the lake. And there she goes, out to sea, on its way to Los Angeles. Alrighty viewers, that was a good treat to see another Qantas plane come down this way up close. We've got one at HARS that came in 2015 and became the next exhibit at the museum then. Alrighty viewers, there she goes. Anyhow, time to finish up. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.